Live the life you always imagined for yourself at X1 The Edge Liverpool. The property offers comfortable en-suites that are spacious as well as fully furnished for your convenience. The room offers a cozy bed, desk chair, and storage place. This lovely student accommodation believes in a healthy work-life balance by offering an on-site gym, pool table, vending machine, and ping pong table with a complimentary Netflix account. Talking about the amazing location within a short drive to Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine and Liverpool John Moores University. The property is also surrounded by well-rated restaurants like Riley's Bar and Tesco Express, where you can have your favorite comfort food on a rough rainy day. Moreover, on days when your social battery is exhausted, you can have a quiet evening by yourself at the World Museum. If you're worried about travel expenses, then stay carefree because the property is well connected to a network of bus stops like Greek Street and train stations like Liverpool Lime Street train station. Be the best version of yourself at X1 The Edge Liverpool. So, what are you waiting for? Book your room now at amberstudent.com.